celebration for 30 years of the Women's March of 56. So the play focused mainly on the apartheid problems, mainly the state of emergency and how it affected communities in Cape Town. I'm hoping we're going to get a lot of men coming to see it, and just because it's called Wathinta Bafazi, it doesn't mean they shouldn't come. I'm hoping men particularly are going to find the courage to be able to speak about the problems that we're facing right now, and we can begin to reflect on how we move forward as a society and how we heal ourselves as a people.